Here we are at the front door of 221 East 15th Street. And from the front door, you enter through the living room with hardwood floors and tall ceilings. There's this big window here. You can look through to the front private balcony. And then if we turn the corner, you can see these amazing pocket doors, highlighting this vintage fireplace. Ceiling fan above. Hardwood floors below. And then to the kitchen. You got plenty of countertop space. Little window. The back door goes to the back parking area. There's this little extra window here with the door to the basement. Then we can go up the stairs. To the landing. You've got this little baby bedroom right here with carpeted floors and tall ceilings. And then you can go back through this door down the hall to the bathroom. Oak cabinet. And then you go back to the hardwood floors in the hallway. We've got this second little room here. And then you've got the last room in the end of the hall, which is the master bedroom. Hardwood floors, tall ceilings. And then there's this extra little nook you can see here with additional space. So you can see this whole other room here. And a little hallway closet. That's the end of our tour.